Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by selecting the exact text that has the highlight. Precise selection prevents removing formatting you want to keep. Once done, look at the toolbar and click the highlight marker icon to open color choices. If you don't see the marker, use Format Text Highlight to reveal the same control. Make sure you're in editing mode, not suggesting, because highlight changes apply differently in comment or view modes. With the highlight menu open, choose None to remove the shading and restore the default background. This clears highlight without altering font color. Alternatively, pick another color to replace the existing highlight if needed. To apply the same removal across non-contiguous blocks, click Paint Format, then click each block you want cleared. Remember to reselect large areas with Ctrl+ for whole document changes. Finish by scanning the document to confirm all highlights are removed. You can use Find Ctrl+F to search for non-breaking spaces or empty spans that retain color. If highlights persist, try Format Clear formatting to strip styles, since some styles embed background colors. Make sure paragraph styles aren't enforcing a background, edit normal text, or apply a clean style. If something goes wrong, open version history and revert to a prior saved state to recover content before your change.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.